Hi Rob, your Carpentaria joint venture with Mount Isa Mines includes a number of projects around the mining town of Cloncurry. You've just assumed full control of the Mongoose Project. Why is this significant?
It's the first time that we've exercised the earn back or sole risking option within the joint venture. So to elaborate briefly on that, we can earn our way back into that permit through expenditure. We have full control over that expenditure, which would be exploration and development.
What would you describe as Mongoose's strongest appeal?
In terms of the Mongoose Project, it's very exciting for us because it's advanced. It's had nearly 4,000 metres of drilling in it. It neighbours the Great Australian Mine and the Taipan deposit. Our neighbours are now firing up their plant. They're looking to treat ores over there, and we are starting to talk to them about the work that we plan to do and also the concept of a one pit to include Taipan and Mongoose.
And I understand Mongoose is part of a wider strategy. Tell me more about that.
On the Mongoose project, as we call it, within the whole EPM that we've taken control of, we've already identified 10, maybe 15 other prospects. So we fully expect to be exploring on this permit for quite some time to come. It's not just about Mongoose.
Which project excites you most as an exploration manager?
The project that excites me the most is definitely the Mongoose copper prospect, which is located just south of Cloncurry, next to an operating copper mine.
What is it about the rocks at Mongoose that are particularly distinguishing?
On a more broad scale, there's a whole bunch of structures which have come in and smashed up the rock, which have provided locations for the mineralisation to percolate and precipitate, so to focus that mineralisation in. When you zoom out from just Mongoose, there's a number of different prospects around which we've been putting the data together. So thousands and thousands of metres of drilling, and yeah, some really interesting copper results.
So talking about zooming out at Mongoose, next door you have the Great Australian Copper Mine. We also have the major Taipan deposit. Are all those things interrelated?
Look, I believe they're a part of the same system. When you look at the magnetics, there's a big magnetic high which wraps around, starts off in the northeast, comes down and around, and you can see all the copper deposits sitting along the edge of here. So I believe they are connected.